Now it is with great pleasure that I introduce the 420 sound.
Over the mic, we challenge ya, better be here cause we enter. Put up on your lighter, we can selection selector. Over the mic, we challenge ya, better be here cause we enter. Put up on your lighter, we can selection selector.
Who knows is gonna watch this? Probably no one.
If you want a revolution, yeah, I'm a crazy young.
420 is just basically like everyone all like coming together in a big chaotic collision of colour.
I'm gonna make it clever, I'm gonna make it sure. I'm gonna make it clever, I'm gonna make it sure. I'm gonna make sure no Sony money's on the show. So it started when I was 6 as a white clown in Circus Patoche.
It's a little weapon. And like a Molotov cocktail.
My philosophy. That's my philosophy. Yeah. Why saying bad but not bad like way? 420 a kill sound every day.
Andy's not taking it serious, but I do. I do take it very serious.
Andy always like full power, positive, like little surf angel. Fucking colorful, vibrant, and
it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Rosie's like, the more that you get to know Rosie, the more magical she becomes. She's like a magical creature. It's like from like a mythical land or something. You should see Sip, especially when he's got his hair wet. He looks like Anthony Kiedis.
You look like Chewbacca.
Yeah, I don't mind. I'm happy with that.
A honky-tonk pianist.
Honky tonk.
the yoga master. He also one of these souls, like Tom and Oren, who have some this kind of zen.
Yes.
And with fiery people like us, it's needed.
How's the space for you, Daniel?
TK on the guitar. Doing his.
No. Oren, talk about your weapon dubplate.
So I found people around the world that actually can help me record very famous reggae artists for dubplate. So this is pretty much one of the experimental stages of the 420 sound.
He recorded live here in Byron with Tipa Irie, with Prince Allah, then Ranking Joe, who that again?
There's something about the vibration of reggae that's like, it's got its own thing happening. Like, so when you listen to reggae, it's super airy, super chilled, get into the flow, feel good. And that's it, we want to bring that vibe.
It's just worth it to see all their smiling faces.
Yeah.
Should we smoke a big spliff just to...
Yeah, big spliff.